In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes with TurboTax Free Edition, step by step. First, open your browser and go directly to the official TurboTax website. Avoid third-party links and ads so you land on the real site. Once you're there, look for the Free Edition option on the product page. This version is designed for simple tax situations, and choosing it up front helps ensure the experience stays streamlined and cost-free if you qualify. Next, create an account or sign in if you've used TurboTax before. New users will be guided to set up a secure account. Returning users can simply enter their login details. For your privacy, make sure you're on a secure network and that the web address shows a secure connection before you proceed. After you're in, follow the guided process to enter your personal and financial information. TurboTax will ask straightforward questions about your filing status, dependents, address, and other basics. Then it will walk you through your income and common credits or deductions. Keep your documents handy as you go, things like wage statements, income forms, and any relevant tax documents, so you can enter the numbers accurately. Take your time, answer each prompt carefully, and use the help text on the screen if something isn't clear. You can save and continue later if you need a break. As you progress, the system will automatically determine whether your return qualifies for the free edition. If your tax situation goes beyond the scope of the free product, you'll see a clear prompt to upgrade to a paid version. You'll be shown what's included and the price before you make any decision, so you can choose the option that's right for your situation. Once you've finished entering everything, it's time to review and e-file your federal and, if applicable, your state return. Use the built-in review to catch typos, missing entries, or mismatched numbers. Preview your forms if you'd like to see exactly what's being filed. When everything looks good, follow the on-screen steps to e-file securely. You'll receive a submission confirmation, and you can save or download a copy of your returns for your records. That's it. Navigate to the TurboTax site, pick the free edition, sign in, or create an account, follow the guided entries, confirm whether you qualify for free, and then review and e-file. Stay patient, be accurate, and you'll get it done with confidence.